Meso Chrome Delete Kit. So why do you want a Chrome Delete? Well, not a huge fan. Also, this in here is the main reason why I purchased this kit. And it has to do with the chrome ring around the cup holder. It absolutely drives me crazy when I'm driving. I don't know about you guys, but for me, I feel like all it does is just shoot ridiculous beams of light right into my eye. So I am removing that for this guy right here. I'm excited about this because it has tabs. Why I'm excited about it is I had originally purchased one of these from a company called AJT Design. Great company. I have their rings around the AC, so it's the Chrome Delete Kit for the ACs. I have theirs, AJT Design, that is. Unfortunately, their cup holder ring did not work for me. It doesn't have any of these tabs. It kind of glues on. Didn't work for me, fell off within a week, and it's constantly just moving around. And I took my time installing it, taping it in right. It still didn't work. So this is why I went with this kit. You also get with this kit, which is very nicely packed, this is a little ring for your shifter knob, and then you have the ring for, this one looks like the on-off switch, and then the 4x4 select. So we're gonna get into that today, get this install in. Once we get out in the truck, I'll show you why that AJT design didn't work for me. So not trying to bash anybody, just didn't work for me. All right, let's go take a walk. And so this is why it didn't work for me. As you can see, it just it sits in there, and it's got, it's got tape everywhere. For me, for whatever reason, it would not sit just right, and I left it taped for 2 days with like painter's tape on here, so it was nice and tight all the way around. It just never sat in there perfectly. So, and every time you stick something in here or hit it, it'll pop up and move. So we're getting rid of that, and we're putting in this bad boy right here, which is just a much better design. And just like that, we're in. Nice and tight. We're clipped in nicely. It's not really going anywhere, so I don't have to worry about that. Next up is this little chrome piece right here. We're gonna get rid of it, and you're gonna pop that down and just start turning your knob off, nice and easy. By the way, I do like the TRD knob. It's a bit heavier and fatter up here on the top. And just like that, that is perfect. Chrome is gone, and we're popped up nice and tight. Perfect. Next up is these two. See all that chrome right there? We're gonna get rid of that. These are a little bit more involved. We got to pop this whole console off to get to these, so we're going to work through that next. Alright, so here we are on the bench. We're going to pop off the start and the 4x4. Oh, look at that chrome shine. We're getting rid of that. So you're going to come back here. If you look right there and right there, they both have those two tabs. All you're going to do is pop that tab in and pop this tab in. This tab here, just gonna get that in there and down, and then do the same with this tab here, and just like that, that is off of there. And just like that, that's out. So we're gonna do the same thing here. We're just going to pop this little tab in And then pop this little tab right there in. And let's see. There she is right there. And boom. So here is the engine start stop, and we're just going to find a little spot pretty much right in this line, and you can just kind of push out just a bit there. You can kind of push out just a bit there. And there, just like that. And that chrome ring is out. Oh, set that one there. When you get to the 4x4 chrome ring, to remove this one, it's a little bit more involved. So you're going to kind of at least want a small Phillips and a small flathead. So first things first, there's these 2 Phillips screws in the back. Once you get that, you will remove this back piece, put it down. So it looks like, so that's what you're looking at now. You have this little motherboard. We're gonna just pop that straight out from there. And then this little piece should come. So you can see when you put them back, you're gonna go this one, and this one. Nice and easy. And if I can get you now, you're not gonna be able to see. Deep down in there, there's another Phillips. What you're gonna wanna do is put your finger on this, make sure where you're set at, you got your finger there, and you're gonna reach down in there and unscrew the 3rd screw. See it right there? It's gonna come off. Remove this little guy, and then this is going to just pop right off. Now from there, you can take your flathead, you're gonna reach down in there, and you'll see the clips. All we're trying to do is just pop the clips off for that ring. So there are 2 clips tucked into here that you're gonna kind of have to gently massage and push straight kind of down in there. And hopefully I should be able to release it. So it looks like I haven't been able to get, there we go, just like that. And we are nice and released. Perfect. So now that you have everything taken apart, it's time to put the kit on. So we're gonna start here with our start stop kit. You're gonna find your start and stop deletes. You see that mark? That's your 12 o'clock. I'm gonna set this straight up like that and make sure that 12 o'clock is pointing straight up, and just slowly start to maneuver and finagle the pieces in like that. Our chrome delete is installed. All right, time to start on the 4x4 knob. For the 4x4 knob, you're going to just take the new one and drop it in, and it's just going to kind of turn until it will drop, and then just go ahead and pop it in just like that. And for the most part, that is done. The chrome delete is in. Now it's time to set it all back together. I'm going to take the center button and drop it right back in on, make sure it's in 2-wheel drive, and we're going to flip this guy over and take the back and put the back in there, just like that. We're going to take this screw and drop it right in that hole just like that, and you're going to take your tiny screwdriver. Go. That's in. So this little plastic section is going to be up next, and if you look, it's got like a keyed section there that has to line up right. So we're going to just drop it right in, and that looks like it landed, if you can see, right inside this spot right there. The key landed right in there, so you should be good to go there. And this guy is up next, and if you look on this side, you can see where it slides up against there. So it's obvious that the way that this has to slide slides this way. So that means that this guy's got to go like this, so it follows that path. You drop this in just like that. Perfect. From there, once we're sitting like this, this is just going to get dropped in just like that, and we're going to put back these tiny little screws. Don't go crazy with the torque. And just to check, they are both in and done. So we'll slide this box over, we'll come back here, and I'm gonna pop in our 4-wheel drive. The 2-wheel drive symbol just goes up just like this, and clipped right into place. And the start stop, right back in there, and that clips right into place. And just like that, there is no more chrome. Just like that, we are done, and no more chrome. We're done. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, post them down below. I will definitely put a link to the kit in the description. He's pretty much all over the place on Tacoma World. Seems like a decent dude. His stuff works out well. So again, if you enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button. Let me know if I can get any better at this. Thanks, guys. Hope you're having a good one.